Yeah, what going on, man? I got a package from Raise the Quads and wanted to show y'all some of the stuff that I got. The BabyApe is in here, by the way. When you first open the package, you get some cardboard paper, whatever you call it, and after that is when you see all your products. I was gonna take the stuff out one by one, but then I got sick and tired of it, so then I just dumped out everything. Most of the stuff I got were accessories or components that I needed for the BabyApe, except this ELRS receiver and this prop tool so that I could keep one in my backpack. I got the HQ Props T3.5 by 2 by 3 props, but these absolutely did not fit on the quad. I should have known better because these are 3.5-inch props and not 3-inch props, but hey man, you live and you learn. FPV companies always include their stickers. I decided to get these G&B batteries partially because they match the Speedy Pizza batteries that I already have, but mostly because they look fire. I got them at 650 milliamps and I got both 3S and 4S. The 4S batteries were for my Cinema because the BabyApe only takes 1 to 3S, and the 3S is so that I can get some extra punch since I already have some 2S lipos from other micro drones that I have. And now to the quad. Obviously, Darwin FPV had to put their stickers into, and they also included Gemfan 3016 1.5mm props that press straight onto the motor shaft. They included some battery ties, zip ties, and rubber bands to strap the battery down, but I used a strap that I had from before. It always surprises me how small these quads are. I only weighed it because I thought it would be cool, but the quad itself was 71 grams, and with the 650 3S battery and 4 props, it came up to 131 grams. Alright, that's it. Check y'all.